Hello students, now we shall look at bowl mill. This is for pulverization. It is a very simple mill. I think you might have seen wet grinders in hotels and all, where they make that coconut chutney and all. So this is simple like that wet grinder used in even homes. You have got wet grinders as well as in hotels and all, they are used. So the arrangement is shown in the figure. The pulverizer consists of stationary rollers. So the rollers are stationary and a power driven bowl in which pulverization takes place as coal passes between sides of bowl and the rollers. So as the coal is passing through the bowl and rollers and the bowl is rotated by power, the coal pulverization takes place. So here to convey the pulverized coal, there are two mechanisms. One is you can see at the bottom, you have got the hot air from air preheater, and second to the left you can find the ID fan. ID means induced draft. Induced means it is sucking. Okay. FD means forced draft, means it is pushing. Okay. A primary air induced draft fan draws a stream of heated air through the mill, carrying the pulverized coal into the stationary classifier located in the pulverizer. In the top of the pulverizer you can see the classifier. The classifier returns coarse particles of coal to the bowl for further grinding through the center cone of classifier. So in the classifier only the fine pulverized particles go ahead and the coarse particles will return back to the bowl for further pulverization. The coal pulverized to desired fineness is carried to the burner through the ID fan. The impurities in coal containing heavy particles are thrown overside by centrifugal force as these enter into the rotating bowl. These heavy particles thrown out fall into the space below the bowl and are discharged from containing heavy particles thrown out of the space between the bowl and are discharged from the mill through a specially designed spout. The automatic control changes the supply of coal to the bowl and the mill by adjusting the feeder speed and the flow of primary air by regulating the damper in the line from the pulverizer to the fan. So the flow control is always through the damper. We control the flow of the air. So according to the flow of air determines the flow of pulverized coal also. The outstanding features of this pulverizer are the classifier can be adjusted to change the coal fineness when the pulverizer is operating. So if you want to change the size of the coal fineness, we can change it, okay, by adjusting the classifier. And second, the leakage of coal from the mill casing is completely eliminated as the mill operates under negative pressure. You can see the entire mill is enclosed and then there is ID fan. So ID fan is sucking. So it is almost at a working in a vacuum like. Okay. So the fineness required in today's pulverizer differ unit to unit, but most of the fuel is ground to at least 98 to 99% passing through 50 mesh and 50 to 60 to 70% passing through the 200 mesh. So these mesh ASTM C size meshes are there. So at least 98-99% will pass through the 50 mesh. Okay. This was about bowl mill for pulverizing of coal.